Hey everybody and welcome. Today we're over here at the Wilderness Lodge. We're actually leaving the Wilderness Lodge right now. We're on one of the two sets of boats to bring you over to the Magic Kingdom. And right now up on the left you're going to see the Copper Creek Cabins. They got the Copper Creek Cabins and Villas located at the Wilderness Lodge. The cabins obviously, or the little cabins there, they're over on the left hand side. You're going to see them anytime you're going to the Magic Kingdom, and it's like a little run off to the left. We'll get a little pan back here for you. That's the Wilderness Lodge up there. And the Copper Creek Villas are right in the Wilderness Lodge, and the cabins are right there on the backside. A better look for you. It's a nice walk. If you guys get a chance to come on over here and take a peek, I definitely walk around them cabins. It's a little bit of a walk. You're going to walk around the Wilderness Lodge as you leave. You're going to go walk around the left side of the pool, head down to the boat launch, and then walk out to these cabins here. You'll see them. These are little boats that you're going to rent along the way. And currently right now I don't believe they're renting any of them boats. I don't know if they've taken them out or what's the deal on that, but today these guys are out here. Here we go. Here comes a monorail coming in. That monorail, if you're watching it, it's going to take you right on over to the Contemporary Resort. We're going to be coming up to that very soon, but I'm going to try to angle the camera a little so you can see it. And that's the actual resort that the monorail goes right inside of. So you see that on TV all the time. That's the building right there. That's a Contemporary Resort. That's one of the original Walt Disney World resorts, and that's located on the Magic Kingdom monorail loop. It's actually one of the Magic Kingdom resorts. And right over there to the right, if you get a little angle, there's trees and a boat right there, but on the right side of that is the Bay Lake Tower. So if you go to the Contemporary, you can actually walk a little bridge over to the Bay Lake Tower. Now this resort here, both of these guys here actually share all of the amenities from the Contemporary. So the Bay Lake Tower is actually just a big building of rooms, and they do have a pool out back. Now coming up here, that is the other boat. If you want to take that boat, we got another video posted, and that's the other boat that you can take right on over to the Magic Kingdom. Say hi everybody, hey! Alright, that's enough of that. Let's keep going. It's a pretty nice day outside today, in case you guys haven't seen that. But once again, back to the Contemporary Resort. Now, the Contemporary Resort's been there. They built the Bay Lake Tower. That's a DVC resort. And that one actually shares off of all the stores, amenities, restaurants. So you're going to walk over a little bridge, go to the Contemporary. You can even watch the fireworks out in the Contemporary. They got a little spot outside up on one of the rooftops there. And other than that, the Bay Lake is just a big resort of rooms. And then if you go down to the first floor, you can walk out back, and they've got the pool out back with some activities out there. If you guys want to do some fishing or rent some boats, these are the boats you're going to rent. You can do some fishing. They'll take you out fishing, or you can just do the boat rentals. Here's another one of the bigger boats that take you over to the Wilderness Lodge and the Fort Wilderness campgrounds. And that's the bigger of the two boats. We're on the small one right now. Looks like a little pirate ship going along. And right now we're going to aim forwards here. See if you guys can get the distance there. We've got the Grand Floridian. So that is one of the original resorts also. That's one of the prettier ones on property, and one of the more expensive resorts on property. If you guys get a chance, it's definitely worth walking over and taking a peek at that. Take the monorail over, take a boat over from the Magic Kingdom, take a bus over, walk around. You're going to see a lot. Over here, point that out for you, that's the Polynesian Resort. And that's pretty much it on the boat ride over, heading towards the Magic Kingdom, guys.